Today I am going to take you to inside the pyramids. Do you know why? What's the reason of building the pyramids? You know roughly how many pyramids would be there in Egypt? Hey guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night. So this is Satish again. So I'm here in pyramids of Giza, and today I am going to take you to inside the pyramids. Sounds interesting. So have you guys thought about anything? What could be inside the pyramids? It could be some paintings, murals, funerals, treasuries, goods, diamonds, ornaments. Is it so? Yes. It more than that. So before getting into that, I would like to talk about pyramids. So do you know why? What's the reason of building the pyramids? So there is a reason. So it is tied to the Egyptian religion as well. So the ancient Egyptian king, as per the religion, they focus too much on after the death. Say they want to keep themselves alive, and that's the motto, and that's the reason it forced to build such an amazing, wonderful structure, and it is standing as one of the 7 wonders of the world. And it is really, really amazing. So do you know roughly how many pyramids would be there in Egypt? Anybody? 1, 2, 10, 20, 50? Even it's more than that. There are 130 plus pyramids are there. And do you know the pyramid of Kufa? That's the tallest and that's the biggest man-made structure in the world, which is current one of the 7 wonders of the world. So do you know how much time it took to construct that pyramid, which is there in the Giza, which is one of the 7 wonders of the world? 33,200 years, and it has more than 5.2 million blocks. Not 1 or 2 or tens or hundreds, or it's more than that. So it's really amazing, right? That's where it's a wonder of the world. And today I would like to show you, take to you inside what is there in pyramids. Sounds interesting. And unluckily nobody can enter into the tallest or the biggest pyramid, which is there in the Giza, and the permit is only to enter into the 2nd tallest, which is the Khafre. And come with me, let's explore that. Hey guys, I'm inside the 2nd pyramid, and I would like to show you how it is inside and how going down. guys, hope you explored what is there in Egypt. So somebody would have understand and somebody would be wondering what's there in Egypt. Pyramids. So luckily nothing is there. That's the fact. And whatever which is there in the pyramids area, which is completely robbed in 1000 BC itself, despite a lot of Egyptian government took on a lot of effort. And so do you know, inside the pyramids, so people suspected like what would be there from the burial chamber of the great king Tutankhamun. They have recovered tons and tons and tons of gold. They've expected a similar thing, but you would have seen only the whatever the burial chamber only found inside the second biggest pyramid, which is Khafre, and that too the burial chamber of the king Rasmus III. And so usually this is how the burial chamber, or whoever a big important king or queen who's going to get buried inside the pyramids. So this is how they structure. So first there will be lots of beautiful carved paintings, and there will be a separate chamber and a separate room for the servants. So to just make them or send them with them so that they will serve for them after the death. That is the biggest belief as per the Egyptian. So the worst part is most of the things got robbed, and there's nothing there currently inside the pyramids. And hope I will see you soon in the next important destination in one part of the world. Thank you.